Asterisk asterisk digital marketing life in Dubai. Dubai vlogs in 2024 asterisk asterisk. Dubai, the epitome of modernity and luxury, continues to attract people from around the globe seeking opportunities and experiences. In the realm of digital marketing, Dubai stands out as a vibrant hub where innovation meets creativity, offering a unique glimpse into the ever-evolving landscape of online advertising and brand promotion. As we delve into 2024, let's explore the dynamic digital marketing scene in Dubai through the lens of Dubai Vlogs, capturing the essence of this bustling metropolis and its digital pulse. Asterisk asterisk 1. The rise of influencer marketing. Asterisk asterisk. Dubai has emerged as a hotspot for influencer marketing, with influencers from diverse niches leveraging the city's glitz and glamour to create captivating content. From fashionistas flaunting the latest trends in Dubai's designer boutiques to food enthusiasts exploring the city's culinary delights, influencer vlogs offer a captivating glimpse into Dubai's lifestyle and culture while showcasing brands in an authentic and engaging manner. Asterisk asterisk 2. Tech innovations and digital experiences. Asterisk asterisk. Dubai's commitment to innovation and technology is reflected in its digital marketing landscape, where immersive experiences and cutting-edge technologies take center stage. Vlogs showcase the latest tech innovations, from augmented reality AR activations at Dubai's iconic landmarks to virtual reality VR experiences that transport viewer into immersive brand worlds. As Dubai continues to push the boundaries of digital innovation, vloggers provide a front-row seat to the city's tech-driven evolution. Asterisk asterisk 3. Content creation and storytelling. Asterisk asterisk. In a city teeming with diversity and cultural richness, storytelling lies at the heart of digital marketing in Dubai. Vloggers adeptly weave narratives that resonate with their audience, showcasing the city's multicultural tapestry through captivating visuals and engaging storytelling. Whether it's exploring traditional souks, adrenaline-pumping desert safaris, or futuristic skyscrapers, Dubai vlogs offer a multifaceted portrayal of the city's unique identity, making it an ideal backdrop for compelling brand narratives. Asterisk asterisk 4. Luxury lifestyle and brand partnerships. Asterisk asterisk. Dubai's reputation as a playground for the affluent is mirrored in vlogs that offer a glimpse into the city's opulent lifestyle and luxury experiences. Influencers collaborate with high-end brands to showcase exclusive products, lavish experiences, and luxury destinations, catering to an audience enamored by the allure of luxury living. From lavish yacht parties to extravagant shopping sprees, Dubai vlogs serve as a visual feast for luxury enthusiasts while providing brands with a platform to reach affluent consumers. Asterisk asterisk 5. Entrepreneurial spirit and business insights. Asterisk asterisk. Dubai's entrepreneurial spirit is palpable in vlogs that highlight the city's thriving startup ecosystem and business landscape. From interviews with successful entrepreneurs to behind-the-scenes glimpses of emerging startups, Dubai vlogs offer valuable insights into the digital marketing industry and business trends shaping the city's economic landscape. Aspiring entrepreneurs and digital marketers find inspiration and practical advice through vlogs that chronicle the journeys of industry pioneers and innovators. Asterisk asterisk 6. Sustainability and corporate social responsibility. CSR asterisk asterisk. With a growing emphasis on sustainability and corporate social responsibility, Dubai vlogs shed light on brands and initiatives driving positive change in the community. From eco-conscious fashion brands to sustainable tourism initiatives, vloggers showcase efforts to promote environmental sustainability and social impact, resonating with audiences who prioritize ethical consumption and responsible business practices. Feel free to contact us at +91 9864170343 or +91 9864855058. Our team of experts is here to assist you every step of the way. In conclusion, Dubai vlogs offer a captivating glimpse into the dynamic world of digital marketing in one of the world's most cosmopolitan cities. As influencers and content creators continue to innovate and collaborate with brands, Dubai's digital marketing landscape evolves, reflecting the city's spirit of innovation, diversity, and boundless opportunities. Whether it's luxury lifestyle, tech innovations, or cultural immersion, Dubai vlogs in 2024 are a testament to the city's status as a global leader in digital marketing and innovation. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। Globe asterisk asterisk English asterisk asterisk. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Turlav Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।